4 times. My friend looks at me and goes, you know, I know this spider, right? No, I didn't know that. Really? I thought it was a spider.
You want something done?
I don't think he owns a screwdriver.
Yeah, I do. I'm using it as a chisel. What are you talking about? Hold on a second.
Oh, wait, he does. There it is. There's the screwdriver. Fuck the screwdriver. Get it. We don't need no screwdrivers. Unless, of course, you're gonna hammer it in screws with a screwdriver.
I feel so sore.
I'm gonna inspire so many rednecks and newfies.
I'm gonna get a shit ton of hate.
Guess where this is going?
YouTube.
No.
Probably.
Facebook?
Yeah.
It's gonna be all over everything.
Yeah, it is.
Someone's gonna like steal the video.